Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start inside Filmora 14 with your project open. Make sure the app is updated and your timeline is set to 48000HZ for consistent voice timing. Once ready, select the track and position the playhead at the exact start point where the spoken line should begin. Now open the Tools menu and choose Text to Speech. This is the only way built into Filmora 14 to generate voice directly. Next, prepare a short sentence to paste into the TTS input box so you can test a quick. You need to pick the right voice and fine-tune parameters so the speech sounds natural. Choose language, select a voice, then adjust speed and pitch. Small changes matter. For most narration, set speed between 0, 5 and 1. 5 to keep pacing natural and tweak pitch subtly rather than dramatically. Once adjusted, click Preview to listen in context. If it fits, either export the clip as a WAV file or insert it directly into the timeline. Make sure to scrub the timeline to check lip sync. Finish by trimming the generated audio to match cuts, add 3 to 6 frame crossfades for smooth transitions, and normalize the clip to about -6 dB so it sits well in the mix. Use a light EQ to reduce harsh sibilance and a subtle de-esser if needed. If the speech sounds robotic, lower speed slightly, add minor pitch variation, and re-preview. This is the key troubleshooting move. Make sure to re-export a test render to confirm final sync and quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.